Okay, we got our little baggie. Open the door. Door's open. Try it again. Finally got it.
Now I can think.
Come on in.
Okay.
Alright, we got 2 for 5. What's he getting? Two Red Bull on the water. Look at them pigeons chilling over there.
Why are so many cars making their day be bad? Oh. Now I'm gonna be famous. I made a buy.
Hey. Alright, come in.
I made a buy agent a Mustang before the Mustang leaves. And I never seen a Mustang in real life. Pictures of our car.
Let's go.
We're not poor people. We're poor people on the car. I am excited about. I like the Mustang.
I know you do.
GTRs. Yeah.
The little bird over there.
The bird.
I don't know what this like a wooden bridge, wooden boat.
Let's explore like Minecraft.
Okay guys, walking through the bushes trying to go over the little lake over here, little river. That's what it is. Trying to keep up with Aiden, full of energy.
Which way should we go?
Straight
I'm
ahead.
ready to go this way.
You lead the way. Look at all them pretty yellow flowers. Spring is in the air.
Okay.
Summer's coming.
There is 2 ways again. We're going this way. This
Woo!
Jesus!
Look at this beautiful water. Look at this beautiful water, guys. Yeah. Check this out.
We could say go chapter 8 here.
Check this beautiful body of water out. Yeah. Hey, don't wake me up.
I'm having fun here.
Check this beautiful body of
We
water
could
out.
stay here for
Yes.
years. That was lame. Let's have more walk. Now let's have. Wow! Gross.
Okay, guys. Taking a stroll along the river.
We're taking a big
Nice body of water. Feeling nature. I know a few people are over here fishing. Let's see if they catch anything. All right, we have
fish too. Let's have a fun time.
a few guys over here fishing up ahead the stream here. Let's see if they catch anything up there.
We will see you at the
Yeah. Nice fish. Look at that, guys.
Wow!
Oh man, they're pretty. Look at that, guys. Oh, listen.
Okay.
Don't go in the water. Don't go in the water. Can I look at them? Yeah. Okay. Guys, look at this. That's beautiful. Ooh.
Jesus!
They're kicking. Look at that, guys. That's a beautiful string of fish right here. Oh boy, they look nice. I like this. Where?
Right there.
You know what these fish call?
No. Red snapper.
Nice string of
Red
fish.
snapper.
Oh, this is not snapper.
Oh. Why am I?
When the fish pick the line, it would drag the card.
Yeah.
And you would know.
You
Feel the vibration.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's pretty cool. Hey, don't leave my Red Bull. Get my Red Bull. I don't mind getting my hands dirty.
Well,
There's some big, nice fish.
Well, I don't mind get my hands real dirty. Daddy, looks like I'm moving.
You're trying to catch some nice fish out here.
Yeah.
Man, look at them fish, guys. Some big, nice fish. May have to come out here myself and do a little fishing myself.
Yeah.
I didn't know we have such a big fish in here.
Can we fish too?
So we gotta definitely come out here and do some fishing.
Can we fish too?
Beautiful catch. It's like at least 7 pounds.
It looks super good.
Yep. Beautiful. That's a beautiful string of fish.
Mm-hmm.
Put them back in the water.
Have them more healthy. Have them more healthy.
Yep. Beautiful catch. Let's see what we got. Look at those big birds over there. I can barely see them. Look. Some big birds. You see those big birds over there? Come on. Okay guys, there you have it. Two buddy back here, you know, they caught some nice fish. I show you the fish they caught. I didn't know such a big fish was in here. Yeah, but definitely I'm gonna come back over here another day. Try to see if I can catch something myself. You know, I mean, I like fishing, so maybe I come over here and make a video trying to catch some fish. Figure out what type of birds are those. They got some long necks. Look at that right there. Seagull? Those are seagull? I don't know if they're seagull or what they are, but look at both of them over there. Two of them just chilling over there. And if you guys can see them, there's one right there. There's another one right out there by that piece of wood. Yeah, right there. You see him right there. One flew away. No one went fishing. There you have it, guys. Nice little stroll along the lake. See what time it is. So that's what's up, guys. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. You know, if you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like I said, guys, a lot of good content is gonna come up. So stay tuned to the channel. And I'm still asking you guys to help me reach 1,000 subscribers. You know, I need trying to reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of June. So hit that subscribe button. Give me some thumbs up on the video if you like the video, guys. Share the video. Appreciate it. Thank you guys for your support. Chef Blake.
Papa, you ended it already?
You guys gonna catch some fish, huh?
Yeah, let's see it.
Yeah, I saw some guys back there, man. They caught some real nice fish.
Yeah, I heard they got some nice fish.
Yeah, big ass fish, like 7, 8 pounds.
Oh, yeah? You
Yeah.
better see what's up right now.
Looks good, man. I'm gonna come check it out one of the day, you know what I mean? Alright, I don't know why. It's good.
Take pictures of it. Take pictures of it. Take pictures of it. take pictures of it.
Be careful. Alright guys, we are back in the car. Just went inside and get me my food. Show you guys what I get. Oh, it's kind of hard to shoot a video, you know, and doing all this at the same time. Let me see if we can open this thing so you guys can see what I get. And what I got. Yeah, it smells good. Hope it tastes good as it smells. Trying to get the bag out of the way so you guys can see what's inside. Alright guys, that is the big nice snapper up there. Look like they put what's that? Potatoes, plantains, some tomatoes, onion, cabbage underneath the snapper. And yeah, the rice and peas smell good. I hope it tastes as it smells. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, dig in and tell you guys what it tastes like. Yeah, this is my Mother's Day red snapper from the Caribbean Superior. You know what time it is, your boy Blake's in the house teaching you how to cook like a Jamaican, like a pro cook on your yard, eat for your yard.